A shocking Punjab government report has exposed the huge human smuggling network that has been taking advantage of Punjabi migrants trying to reach the US. The total of 127 deported Punjabi immigrants ended up losing 43 crore rupees to fraudulent travel agents in their failed attempt to enter the US illegally. Instead of finding a better future, these individuals were detained, handcuffed, and deported back to India by the US authorities. These deportees were among the 332 Indians who were sent back to Amritsar on 3 different flights on February 5, 15, and 16. The reports highlight the massive financial burden that these migrants endured and how human traffickers have created a very dangerous system of deceiving the people across multiple countries. According to the interview that was conducted with the deportees, each person from Punjab paid around 40 to 45 lakh rupees to the agents who promised them entry into the US. These agents operate across multiple countries including the US, the UK, Pakistan, Mexico, Italy, and Spain. The worst part? Most of them made payments in cash and never received a receipt. Let me tell you about some shocking real-life cases from the report. A deportee from Gurdaspur paid about 40 lakh rupees in cash plus 5 lakh rupees online to an agent. A couple from Mohali gave 85 lakh rupees to an agent in Ambala, but they never made it to the US. A migrant from Jalandhar paid about 30 lakh rupees, out of which 17 lakh rupees was given in cash, while the rest was sent to his brother in the US. A Firozpur resident was scammed by a UK-based travel agent he found on Instagram, paying him 16 lakh rupees in cash. But who are these agents? Nobody knows. One of the biggest problems is that most migrants never even met their agents in person. Many only spoke to them on social media platforms like Instagram or through any intermediary or any friend. Let me tell you about another deportee. A man from Nawashahar said that his agent was based in the United Kingdom, but he had no other detail about him. 3 deportees admitted that they used Pakistan-based agent. At least 10 deportees refused to share any details about their agent, possibly due to fear or any threats that they were given. Out of 31 deportees from the 3rd batch, 18 are ready to file cases against their agent, while 6 are undecided and 4 refuse to take legal action. In the meantime, the ongoing deportation have sparked major concern in Punjab. Punjab's Chief Minister Bhagwat Mann has openly opposed US deportation flight landing in Amritsar, stating that Punjab should not be made a dumping ground for the deportees. Speaking to the media, Mann said, "I strongly oppose the landing of US planes carrying deportees in Amritsar." He also expressed hope that any future flight carrying illegal Indian migrants would not be sent to Punjab. This tragic story is a warning for many young Punjabis dreaming of moving abroad. Human smugglers promise a better life, but in reality, they take up huge amount of money and leave people stranded, exploited, and even deported. This is now urgent for Punjab government and Indian authorities to take strict action against these fraudulent agents. People must also stay alert and avoid falling for such scams. What do you think? Should the government take stricter measures to punish human smugglers? Should deported migrants get financial help to recover from their losses? Share your thoughts.